So let us discuss the another error that is called as transmission error, which is represented with ET. So this error represents the deviation from the linearity. So let us derive the expression for transmission error ET. So for that purpose, let us take this graph. Let us say this is the output voltage graph versus T. So what we generally require? We generally require a linear ramp. We generally require a linear output voltage. Linear output voltage we require from the circuit. So, but what is the actual output we get? Because we are doing the capacitor charging of capacitor exponentially. So the output graph will come like this. So let us say T is equal to Ts is the end of the sweep. So let us represent some points here. So let us say this amplitude is say Vs. Let us say this amplitude is say Vs dash. So this is the this is the linear output. This is the linear output which we actually require. So but this is the actual output which is coming. So this is the actual output which is coming. So let us define what is once you drag. This is the linear output which we require, but this is the actual outputs. So therefore this represents the deviation from the linearity. You have to clearly mention this is represents deviation from linearity. How to express this error, that is deviation from linearity? So that is called as transmission error. Let us see how it is defined. It is defined as the ratio of difference between input and output. It is defined as ratio of difference between input and output to the input at the end of the sweep. So let us see what is the definition. It is defined as the ratio of difference between input and output to the input at the end of the sweep. So let us see how to express it mathematically. You can understand. So it is defined as Vs dash minus Vs by Vs dash at T is equal to Ts. So this is how it is mathematically defined. So let us see from the graph. You can clearly understand what is this formula. So what is transmission error? Simple. It is defined as the difference between Vs dash and Vs to Vs dash. That means it is defined as the difference between input and output to the input. So from this graph, so what is this deviation? Vs dash minus Vs by Vs dash at T is equal to Ts. So just we calculate what is Vs dash and Vs and just substitute in this formula, you get the transmission error. So for this purpose, first let us take the linear output equation. So the linear output equation, what is the linear output equation? Which is alpha T. Where alpha is, what is alpha? Alpha is the slope. But initial slope, in the previous slope error, we have derived the initial slope. What is the formula for initial slope? V by RC. So therefore, what is the linear output equation? Linear output equation, what is the linear output is equal to, what is the alpha? V by RC into T. So this is the equation of this line. What is the equation of this line? The equation of this line is V by RC into T. So this is the equation of this line, V by RC into T. So what I want? I want the amplitude at T is equal to GTS. That means just to substitute Ts. So that is nothing but as Vs dash. So therefore, what we write? At T is equal to Ts. At T is equal to Ts. What is the amplitude of this linear output voltage? Vs dash. So just to substitute, what is the amplitude? V by RC into Ts. Let us call this as equation 1. So very simple. Just to substitute T is equal to Ts in this equation. That is nothing but as Vs dash. Now let us calculate Vs. So this is the actual output. So what is this? This is capacitor charging equation. So therefore the capacitor charging equation, the capacitor charging equation. So that is, what is the expression? Very simple expression. V0 of t is equal to V into 1 minus e power minus t by RC. So this is the exponentially charging equation. So what we want? We want the amplitude at t is equal to Ts. So that means just in this equation, just substitute at t is equal to Ts. So in the graph, what is the voltage? We have represented it as Vs. So that is equal to V into 1 minus e power minus Ts by RC. So you know that from e power x equation, what is e power minus x? 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. So let us write the formula for e power minus Ts by Rc. We can write it as 1 minus Ts by Rc plus Ts square by 2 R square C square, and neglect higher order terms because we have taken Ts very small. So neglect higher order terms. So therefore in this place just to substitute this expression. So therefore Vs is expressed as Vs is equal to V into 1 minus what is e power minus Ts by Rc? 1 minus Ts by Rc plus Ts square by 2 R square C square. You can easily say that 1 gets cancelled out. If you take Ts by Rc as common, you get 1 minus Ts by 2 Rc. So this is the Vs. So just to substitute. So this is, let us say, equation 2. So therefore in this equation we have find out what is the linear output voltage. We have find. So what is Vs? Just to substitute in this formula, you get the answer for transmission error. So let us substitute what is the transmission error. So therefore Et is equal to, what is Vs dash? Just I am writing the formula. Vs dash, simple formula, minus Vs by Vs dash. So that is at t is equal to Ts. So therefore let us substitute what is Vs dash? V by Rc into Ts. So that is the amplitude of the linear output voltage. What is Vs? Vs from equation 2, V Ts by Rc into 1 minus Ts by 2 Rc divided by, so what is Vs dash? Vs dash is V by Rc into Ts. So just let us cancel out V by Rc Ts, V by Rc Ts, V by Rc Ts. We get 1 minus Ts by 2 Rc. You can clearly see that 1 gets cancelled out. So therefore the transmission error, so Et is equal to, what is the formula? Ts by 2 Rc. Et is transmission error. Et is equal to Ts by 2 Rc. So what is Ts in this formula? Very, very important point. Here Ts is sweep time. Remember that, very, very important word. Here Ts is sweep time. So this is about your next error, which represents the deviation from the linearity, transmission error. Thank you.